friends, today we are making a video about the step for making noodles. Hey, are you new here?
Yeah, just moved in 2 days ago. I'm Carol.
I'm Lia, nice to meet you. Setting in okay?
Pretty much still figuring out the shared kitchen. I'm making Help Me One song.
For me, classic. I have on the darling exams.
Sam, but I always eat too much water. Sam, but always eat too much water.
I have got trick one. Need to show you.
Yes, please.
Open the red halibut and all the seasoning.
Got it.
Then pour hot water up to the inner line.
Always goes.
That's why it gets saggy cause the light boiled there minutes, 3 minutes.
Stir before it.
Yup, I add chill or fresh onions too.
Yum! Thanks, Leah.
Anytime now your dream roll.
And I know who to call if I mess up again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.